Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whether the control button failure is mechanical or software. First, plug the keyboard into another device or boot into safe mode to isolate software. Once done, power off and unplug. Remove batteries if wireless. Make sure to ground yourself or wear an ESD strap to avoid static damage. Prepare tools: a small Phillips or flat screwdriver, tweezers, compressed air, and high-purity isopropyl for cleaning. This gets you ready to access the key without wasting time. You carefully remove the keycap using a flat tool or fingernail to expose the switch and stabilizers. Once removed, inspect the rubber dome or mechanical switch for debris, broken stems, or bent contacts. Use 1 to 2 short bursts of compressed air to dislodge dust, and a lint-free swab dampened with isopropyl to clean residues from contacts. If stabilizers are sticky, apply a tiny amount of appropriate lubricant. Make sure not to flood the area, since excess liquid can cause further faults. You now decide whether to replace parts or reassemble. Install a replacement rubber dome or swap a faulty mechanical switch, soldering only if you have experience. Once repaired, reseat stabilizers and press the keycap back into place, confirming correct orientation and travel. Reconnect battery or cable and boot the device to test across multiple apps and a key tester to verify consistent actuation. If the problem persists, inspect PCB traces for damage and consider firmware reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.